typical foods of the state of Amapá. The cuisine of Amapá is one of the richest and most diverse in Brazil, reflecting the influence of different peoples and cultures that inhabit the state. With regional ingredients such as fish, shrimp, jambu, and chicory, the typical dishes of Amapá are able to surprise and delight the palate of visitors. In this video, we will know some of the typical foods of Amapá and their origins, but do not forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your like, as it helps a lot in our work. Shrimp on the broth. One of the most famous delicacies in Amapá is shrimp no bafo, a simple and tasty dish consisting of shrimp cooked with garlic, salt, and pepper in a well-covered pan. The dish is served with farofa and pepper, following the indigenous tradition. Açaí. Another dish that cannot be missed on the table of the amapaenses is the Acai, a fruit native to Pará that is highly appreciated in the northern region of the country. Acai is served in the form of broth and can be accompanied by cassava flour and fish or red meat. Tacacá. Tacacá is a hot and spicy soup that takes tucupi, a broth extracted from cassava, shrimp, and jambu, a plant that causes a feeling of numbness in the mouth, and tapioca gum is another delight of amapaense cuisine, with indigenous origin. Chicory. Chicory is a very popular vegetable in Amapá, which can be used in various preparations. One of them is arroz periense, a dish that takes rice, shrimp, and jambu. Duck in the tucupi. The duck in tucupi is a typical dish of the cuisine of the northern region of Brazil, especially the states of Pará, Amapá, and Amazonas. It is made with wild duck meat cooked in a yellow broth called tucupi, extracted from cassava. Caruru. The caruru has African origin, but has also received indigenous and Portuguese influences throughout history. The caruru can be served with rice, farofa, acarage, or other proteins. Peacock-based stew. The peacock-based stew is a typical dish of the northern region of Brazil, especially the states of Pará and Amapá. It is made with peacock bass, a freshwater fish much appreciated in the Amazon, cooked in an aromatic broth with vegetables, herbs, and spices. Farofa de pirarucu. Pirarucu farofa is a typical dish of the northern region of Brazil, especially the states of Pará and Amapá. It is made with pirarucu, a freshwater fish that is salted and dried in the sun, and cassava flour, which can be of different types, such as water flour, wari-ani flour, or corn flour. Manicoba. Manicoba is similar to feijoada, but uses the cassava leaf in place of beans, takes various types of meat, such as jerk, sausage, ribs, pork, and others. It is made with ground cassava leaves and cooked for several days, to eliminate the poison they contain. That's what we have special for today. The Health, Shape, and Focus channel thanks everyone who stayed so far. We know today the wonders and delicious typical foods of the state of Amapá. Stay with God and see you on your next journey.